Today's the day. Today is the day we finally unlock some Subaru Rumble. We are installing the Tomei exhaust on my 2022 Subaru BRZ. I am hyped. Let's get into it. This is the exhaust we went with, the full titanium muffler kit. It is the Type 80, so this is the big boy. This is a 3-inch exhaust. The main reason I went 3-inch exhaust is because we're planning on supercharging it, and we just want to open up the system, the motor, let it flow better. So we're planning for the future. Hyped to get this on. Let's open it up, check it out, and let's do some stock revs so that we can compare it with the Tomei afterwards. This is one of those loud boys. This is gonna be loud. Hopefully not too loud, but it will be. What's up, Alex? We are unlocking the Subaru Rumble, kind of, not fully, but I think it's gonna be pretty loud.
Rumble?
Yeah, with the exhaust you might hear it a little bit, no? I think you might hear it a little bit.
No, man.
If I put that Tomei, brand new Tomei header in, will that unlock the Subaru Rumble? That guy there?
You didn't get that.
Yeah, that guy there? But that's not today, that's a different video. Oh, already a few pops. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I think we gotta make her a little louder.
You know what? I feel like the engine makes more exhaust sounds than the back.
Yeah, you know what it is?
The fake thing?
Yeah, so the 22 Subaru BRZs have fake engine noise that come through your speakers, and that's what you really hear. Ugh. Oh, it's a big boy. This is like the JDM big boy thing, so that's did you say fart cannon, bro?
Yeah, that's a fart cannon.
Nah,
I haven't seen one of those in a while.
You don't know the JDM scene anymore. You're a Euro guy, that's why.
JDM.
This is a JDM exhaust. Yo, we found Mega Man, bro. Yo, this thing's... Yo, this thing's huge, bro. Look at this thing. God damn. I don't know if I'm one of the first putting this on this car, so this is definitely a bit of a risk, but yo, this thing is insanely nice though. This is probably hands down the nicest exhaust I think I've owned. Stop walking away, man. I'm trying to get some
This is the nicest exhaust?
that I've owned. This and the J's Racing. But this is all titanium. Probably this takes it. What's that face for?
Nicest exhaust?
Yeah, bro. He doesn't understand, guys. Comment down below. Tell Alex that he doesn't understand. The video is pretty nice, but this is full titanium. The whole exhaust is titanium.
Like this, the titanium, look, it looks good, but this like
It's
the
a
fart cannon style.
I know, it's a beefy JDM boy.
Okay,
You see a lot of this on like R32s and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that big boy's gonna fit here.
Yeah.
It's gonna be tough. I think we might touch a little bit.
Touch a little bit?
Yo, this is gonna be... Bro, this is...
Okay, we'll see.
Let's go. So this is what comes in the box here. We have 2 pipes here, our clamp system, the main titanium exhaust right here, and some stickers and plates, which will definitely probably put this plate on. Yeah, if we run into an issue, which we might because the canister is really big, I think one of the first people that I know of doing this exact exhaust, I know the first generation exhausts do fit, but I haven't seen anyone do this big boy yet, so let's see. So we've taken the main exhaust off pretty easy. It's 2 bolts and 4 hangers. And now I'm gonna help Alex. We're gonna go down here and take these bolts off. All right, check out the piping difference. This is the OEM piping here. And yeah, I'm in loafers, what's up? And then that's the OEM muffler. And then check this thing out. Look how much bigger that is. We'll have a lot more airflow. We'll probably lose some back pressure, definitely. But like I said, we're prepping for boost in the future. So, one step at a time. We've got most of the piping on. This is pretty easy install, guys. Alex just tightened the 2 bolts in the front, and we're gonna put the canister here, the big cannon. So we'll see how that goes. It's good to have 2 people, easier to hold stuff up and do that. Now we're gonna put the main Tomei cannon here. I I don't know, wish me luck. I think this is big. This is big. Look at this. It's full mocked up right now. I just kind of slipped it on. But, ooh, it's a big boy, Alex. So it fits pretty good. It looks like we're touching just a little bit right here, which we're gonna try angling it. Can we get a moment of silence?
No.
For my neighbors? Because when I turn this on, you ain't gonna have any silence. It's gonna be loud. Really, really loud. I have a feeling. Right now it might not be too bad because we still have the OEM cats, but once we do the catless UEL headers, the Tomei ones, GG.
I'm gonna pass me the...
Gone. Bro, why are you looking straight down the hole?
Whoa!
See, I'm just staring right down, buddy. You trying to sniff it? Why is your nose so close? You whispering, thinking it's gonna hear. So it's pretty much all in. This is such a beautiful exhaust, and it was pretty easy to install. Alex just tightened up the last bolt that connects the hangers. You guys can kind of see the car is very dusty. You can probably tell. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but this thing looks so much better since it's been ceramic coated. You can see the flake a lot better. So after this mod, I think we're gonna do the Tomei headers, and then afterwards we're gonna do some coils and wheels. I'm gonna leave it on the winter wheels just for now. We'll probably, if I come across some awesome wheels, we'll get them regardless and mount them to see how they look for the spring and summer season. But we'll use the OEM wheels with some winter tires that's on right now. Once there's a good snowstorm, I'm gonna take this thing out and kind of show it off a little bit in the snow and see how it goes. It's not the greatest car in the snow, but I think we can manage. Alex just finished tightening up the last bolt.
That's it.
Whoo, she's beefy, eh? This is a beefcake.
Actually, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it does. It looks bigger when you have it in your hand, but you guys see right
down on the floor and take a
you see right there. That's where it's kind of hitting, and then on this side we have a bit more space. Now the last mod we have to do is we have to get this ugly ass plate off and put the Tomei one on. You've been crowned with the Tomei. It was not very angelic. I'm gonna try finding a block off plate for this side, just so the diffuser flows a little better. We're gonna bring her outside. It's dark. I promise you it's like pitch dark, but we're gonna try going somewhere with a bit of light and then checking it out. But check that out so far. Looks pretty good. It doesn't come out too much, comes out on a bit of an angle, you can see it.
Yeah.
Good shit, bro.
Turned out good.
Let's get the first cold start. It's in the garage, so it's definitely gonna sound loud. I'm curious. Holy. Jesus. Jesus Christ. That's loud. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. It died down pretty quickly. It's not too bad just on like
quick start, like quick cold start, but now it's actually
tamed down quite a bit. Okay.
I'm sure if we rev it, it'll be loud.
Yeah, so let's go to the spot. We'll get some revs and we'll do some in-car driving also. If you guys notice, those are just winter tires. I just got to put away. We're just gonna leave those for now. But we'll go for a drive. We'll go see how it is, and we'll do some in-car, and then we'll do some flybys and stuff. Yeah. Cool. All right, guys. So we're in the car, and so far it's not too bad for like normal driving right now. I'm very sure once we put the catless header, it's gonna be a lot louder. We're gonna enter the highway. I want to see if we get some drone. I'm assuming we may, just because a lot of these motors do get a bit of drone, these 4-bangers. Let's see how it goes. We'll do a bit of highway driving. Nothing too crazy, not gonna do any crazy pulls yet. But then we'll do some flybys and stuff at the spot there. But let's see how this goes. So far we've had a bit of pops, but so open the window, yeah, just a bit. Oh, goddamn tires. So this is 4th gear entering the highway freeway. It's gonna be a little loud. It's not that loud. It's actually not that bad.
No,
No, it's not.
It doesn't sound drony or anything right now.
No.
I thought it was gonna be super drony. Like obviously, if you have your foot on the gas, you're gonna hear it. But I think with a bit of music, you can kind of like drown that out. I know once we do the header, it's definitely gonna be a lot louder. Like definitely a lot louder. But let's see how this goes. So far, it's not too bad. Like a downshift, you can definitely hear with the downshifts. A little acceleration. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think the in-car driving with everything OEM aside from an exhaust is doable. I don't think you'll get in too much trouble. You can kind of hear the rumble a little bit, just a tiny bit, but it still needs to be unlocked with those headers, 100%.
Yeah.
That once we have that Subaru sound, I'm gonna be extremely happy. But so far so good. We're in our secluded little spot here. All right, Alex, give us some revs. Yo, it's a lot louder. Ooh, you hear that pop? Damn. Give us a nice one. All right. It's not too bad. It's like, it's a little on the like...
It's actually loud outside.
Yeah, it's really loud out here. And the car's not too bad. I guess the car does some good sound deadening. It sounds pretty good. What do you guys think down below? I think it sounds not too bad at all. I think Alex is starting to have fun with the rear-wheel drive. I think you're starting to have fun with this rear-wheel drive, eh? I told you, and you didn't really do anything.
I had traction on, but that was pretty cool.
Bro, do one launch.
A launch?
Yeah, do a soft launch. Go to like 4K and then just... It is so cool. Well, I gotta change those to LEDs. It sounds pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It sounds pretty good. Go for it. And there we go. Nice little skid mark. It sounds pretty good, guys. It is freezing. We'll get some more like sound clips in the future, but right now it's like so cold. As you can see my breath probably. I am done. All right, I think we're done. Hey, you gonna sell your Audi now or what?
Yo, how sick did that look? That probably looks sick, bro.
Pretty nice. You know what's worse? My hands, they're freezing. There you go, boys. We will see you guys at home. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. The Tomei exhaust on the 22 BRZ. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is it too loud? Does it sound good? So far, I'm actually really enjoying it.
Good.
Right?
I think so.
Right? I think once we put the catless header, it's definitely gonna be a lot louder, but we'll get that Subaru Rebel, which is a good trade-off. But for now, as a daily driver, I think it's perfect. I don't think you'll get in too much trouble for it.
As long as you're not high revving. I think on the high revs it is a little loud.
Yeah.
Like high revving.
If you're
that's
ripping,
kind of a given, right? But
if
like
you're ripping,
normal driving, I think it's okay.
Yeah, if you're ripping it around, that's, you know, that's the risk you take regardless. But I think it's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment. Like, comment.
Like comics.
Like comics.
I
like, comment, and subscribe. Later.
Do it once, do it right.
Do it once. This guy, he's out of it.
Right out of it.